Hey everyone, this is Zelda from TandZRVLife, and welcome back to our channel. Tony's in the back wrestling with Michael, but I wanted to come on and share with you what I found out on YouTube on the analytics page. Now, if any of you keep track of your analytics, and I hope you do if you're trying to be monetized, they used to have it where you would go under and you'd see the minutes, but now you don't have to convert. They have it under hours, watch time hours. So if you go under your YouTube studio, you click over to the left under analytics, and when you go to analytics, change over your time from 28 days to 365, and it will give you the amount of watch hours instead of watch minutes, so you don't have to convert. Also, when you go to your monetization tab, it will tell you your watch hours and your subscriber count. But just know those two are a little bit different, so don't be discouraged. Just keep a watch on them, and over time you'll see them grow. I know that we are growing. I am so excited. There's so many people that are becoming monetized, and I hope I'm going to be there right along with you guys. So, just wanted to share that information with you. Hope you're having an awesome day. And see my little scene back here? I'm ready for Christmas. I know I've just moved over the holiday, but I just wanted to share that with you. Talk to you later. Bye.